Have you ever found yourself staring at your crypto holdings on Gemini, feeling that satisfying surge of accomplishment, only to then think, okay, this is great, but how do I actually get this money into my real bank account? It's a common hurdle, a bridge that many crypto users need to cross, moving from the exciting, decentralized world of digital assets back to the familiar, tangible realm of fiat currency. And let's be honest, while buying crypto can feel exhilarating, the process of withdrawing it can sometimes seem a little less straightforward, riddled with questions about fees, limits, and processing times. You've successfully navigated the volatile markets, perhaps even made some savvy trades, and now you want to reap the rewards. Whether it's to pay bills, fund a new investment, or simply treat yourself, converting your digital gains into spendable cash is a crucial step. But how do you do it seamlessly, securely, and without unnecessary headaches? That's exactly what we're diving into today. This isn't just about clicking a few buttons, it's about understanding the entire process, from the moment you decide to withdraw your funds to the moment they land safely in your bank account. We'll demystify Gemini's withdrawal procedures, illuminate the various options available to you, break down any associated costs, and even touch upon what to do if you encounter a snag. So, if you're ready to transform your Gemini balance into tangible wealth, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at fiat withdrawals from Gemini. Let's begin with the absolute basics. To initiate any withdrawal from Gemini, you first need to be logged into your account. This might seem obvious, but it's the gateway to your funds. Once you're in, you'll typically look for a transfer or withdraw section. Gemini, like most exchanges, places these functions prominently for ease of access. On the Gemini platform, you will usually find a transfer button in the top right corner if you're on the web interface, or within the menu if you're using the mobile app. Tapping or clicking this will present you with options to either deposit or withdraw. For our purposes, you'll select withdraw. Now, here's where it gets specific to fiat. After choosing withdraw, Gemini will give you two main options, withdraw crypto or withdraw to bank. Naturally, we're interested in the latter, so you'll select withdraw to bank for your fiat currency withdrawal. This is a critical distinction, as attempting to withdraw crypto to a bank account will, understandably, not work. The next step is to choose the currency you wish to withdraw. Gemini supports withdrawals in various fiat currencies, including USD, Euro, GBP, SGD, AUD, and CAD, among others, depending on your region and the banking methods available. For example, if you're in the United States, you'll primarily be looking at USD withdrawals. In Europe, Euro and GBP are common. It's vital to select the correct currency that corresponds to your bank account's primary currency to avoid potential conversion fees or delays from your bank. Once you've selected your currency, you'll need to specify the withdrawal method. Gemini offers different fiat withdrawal methods, and these can vary significantly in terms of speed, fees, and limits. The most common methods are: for USD withdrawals in the United States, ACH bank transfer. This is generally the most popular and often the most cost-effective method for U.S. customers. ACH transfers are typically free on Gemini's end. However, they do take a bit longer to process, usually 4 to 5 business days for the funds to become available for withdrawal after an ACH deposit, or for withdrawal to clear. The daily withdrawal limit for ACH for U.S. customers is $100,000. Wire transfer. Wire transfers are faster, usually taking 1 to 3 business days. Gemini charges a $25 fee for USD wire withdrawals. This method is often preferred for larger sums due to its quicker settlement time and generally higher limits. There are typically no upper limits for wire transfer deposits or withdrawals on Gemini, though your bank might have its own limits. For other currencies and regions, non-USD bank transfer, e.g., SEPA for Euro, FPS/SHAPS for GBP. These methods are often free on Gemini's side and are the standard for European and UK users. SEPA transfers for Euro typically take 1 to 3 business days, while FPS/SHAPS for GBP can be processed within 1 to 3 business days. SGD Fast Transfers, Singapore. For Singaporean customers, SGD Fast Transfers are usually instant and typically incur a small fee, e.g., 3 SGD. AUD/BECS/NPP transfers. Australia. Gemini has updated its AUD deposit and withdrawal process to primarily support BECS/NPP transfers, which are generally faster than traditional SWIFT. Before proceeding, double-check your chosen withdrawal method to ensure it aligns with your expectations regarding fees and processing times. It's also worth noting that Gemini does not support fiat withdrawals via debit cards or PayPal. These are typically for deposits or purchases only. After selecting your method, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts. For USD, it's usually $25.01 for wire transfers to cover the fee. Always ensure you have sufficient funds in your Gemini fiat balance to cover both the withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. If you've just sold crypto, remember that those funds need to be settled in your fiat balance before you can withdraw them. Next, you'll need to select the bank account where you want the funds to be sent. If you've previously linked and verified a bank account with Gemini, it should appear in a drop-down menu. If you haven't, or if you wish to withdraw to a new account, you'll need to add it. This involves providing your bank name, account number, and routing number for U.S. banks, or IBAN and SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers. It's absolutely crucial that the bank account you use for withdrawals is in your name and matches the name on your Gemini account. Gemini, being a regulated financial institution, has strict KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, policies. Sending funds to a third-party account will almost certainly result in delays, investigations, or even the rejection of your withdrawal. If you're adding a new bank account, Gemini may require you to verify it by sending a small wire transfer from that account to your Gemini account. This is a one-time verification step to ensure the account truly belongs to you. Once you've entered the amount and selected your bank account, Gemini will present you with a summary of your withdrawal. This summary will typically include the amount you are withdrawing, the withdrawal method chosen, any applicable fees, the estimated arrival time, the net amount you will receive. Carefully review all the details. This is your last chance to catch any errors before confirming the transaction. If everything looks correct, you'll proceed to confirm the withdrawal. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked for a two-factor authentication, 2FA, code to finalize the request. This extra layer of security is vital in protecting your funds. After confirming, you'll receive a confirmation message from Gemini, often accompanied by an email, indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. The status of your withdrawal can usually be tracked within your Gemini account, often in its transaction history or withdrawals section. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.